My name is Laura Sofía Cruz Cabrera, and I'm going to present on the book Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. Chapter 1. He is on the top of that column in center of the city, where is a statue of the Happy Prince and the very beautiful, and is eyes of the sapphire color blue. Chapter 2. Three of the barley on the sun came on. L is wolf line to style quench in prince on more like beautiful, beautiful, yanking for Egypt on the sky and the sword lamb to tight the sapphire air of the ink and the young man was great after and the sapphire puns on the finish hit wall of Arten and the prince said a here winter it prince the cynic and the sword to take and the prince hype is on the very on the was happy. Chapter 3. Story of the Tsar and the Watch Army and El winter and the know it had colder and the scars and the prince and the heart kiss is on hand and had prince dance him to kiss with a fine and some earlier on the head Eric and the sank child at a statue of the prince is the body sat on the same part and the mayor wants better to finish a statue of him. Thank you. Bye.